welcome and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty for those who are new to this channel, and in today's video I want to go to do some shopping, and I'll mostly deal with cleaning products and some few things because I had gone for mid-month shopping and I bought most of food stuff. So let's go. Okay, I'm back from the supermarket, and this is the shopping list that I have. And the main purpose of going for the shopping is because I don't have cleaning products, and for this video you see more of cleaning products. And I'm going to start with this one. This is Toss Detergents Liquids. This one, Magnese Carpet Cleaner, Jik Regulating and Brightening White Clothes. Another thing I bought was this Sufficient Glass Tiles and Window Cleaner Brewer. Another thing I bought is this Sufficient Liquid in lemon fresh. This Imperial Leather. It's buy one get one, but this is the first time I'm using this. This is a body lotion, and when you buy one you get one body wash. And the reason why I bought this, the small one, is because I have another one that Ijaisha. Okay, another thing I bought was this Downy. I prefer using this. It's more perfumed because I'm breastfeeding. I don't like that harufu ya maziwa, so when ukianika manguo, so I go for this one for my clothes and this one for my baby. This one, it's more mild. It's not all that perfumed. Pastils, and it's very expensive nowadays. This one is costing 330 shillings. This one also very expensive. It is costing 205 or 200 to 205. The thing I bought is this Carson's baby wipes. Buy one and get one free. That is why I preferred getting this one. It's quite a save. Another thing I bought is this Colgate, and I prefer using this. Bought is this Astonish. I have seen so many YouTubers using it, and I decided why not, let me try. And I went for the multi-purpose service cleaner, that one. And if I see it's working for me, I'll go for more. Was this Carson's Flamingo bathing soap, that is bathing soap. Valon. I also bought Brewbird, and I also bought this one. Another thing I bought was this noodles Indomie for breakfast. I bought this. I also bought this pure glucose. I like adding it to water while giving my kid. Thing I bought was this Weetabix vanilla flavor. Two kgs of sugar. This one will take me a whole of this month, so I want to buy another one. I bought 2 yogurts. Actually, there were 3. but mmoja akaamua kukunywa. Another one I bought was this one. I bought gram masala, chili, and something else. Black pepper. Okay, and I also bought snacks for my kids. These ones. Yeah, I think that's all. And if you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload any new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Thank you for the new subscriber. Thank you so much. Share my videos, and thank you for watching my content.
Someone else I miss, but I know